This is called a prusik knot. It's used for grabbing a rope in line, and so you can use it to hang things off of a rope, or to pull on a rope, or even to climb a rope if you attach yourself to one and have another for a foot loop. So what it does is it grabs the rope if you yank on it or weight it in either direction, but then if you can unweight it, you can easily slide the knot up or down the rope. You start with a loop of cord put together with a double or triple fisherman's knot. And then here's how you wrap it. You just put it on one side of the rope so you have a little bit of space there. And you take the other end and you're just going to pass it through that hole 3 times. But there's a couple of important things to consider first. One is that your cord is the right size to actually grab your rope, and you can check that by taking your cord and making a loop out of it and then pulling on that loop until you get some tension. And at that point, look at the diameter of the hole in that loop, and it should be a bit smaller than the diameter of your rope. And then the other thing is that most people tend to grab the knot and pass that through the hole. But you have to remember that you're going to want to clip something like a carabiner onto that knot, or to be able to grab this loop and pull it, and you don't want to clip right onto the knot itself. So give yourself a little bit of room by offsetting that knot and having a bite come off of it, and grab that and hold on to it like that. Now just have this passing on one side of the rope, make a little bit of space, and pass this end through that hole. And then just do that 2 more times. This is a 3-wrap prusik. And then you want to make sure that your prusik is dressed. And to properly dress a prusik, you want the strands going to what you're hanging off of to be coming from the inside of the prusik knot. And then you want the strands from the bar, this is called the bar that passes over those strands going to you. You want the strands from the bar passing to the outside of the knot. And now you can clip a carabiner into it. And you can yank on this in either direction and it'll grab the rope, but then if you can get your weight off of it, you can mind the prusik, it's called, pushing it along the rope, by just loosening it up by thumbing the bar. You push the bar up on those inner strands. That loosens the prusik, and you can slide the prusik along in any direction on the rope. And then at any point, if you weight that prusik again, it'll grab.